the different levers of the philanthropy, investment, policy. Can you talk about how they all work together and how you work cross-functionally?
Sure. Yeah. So we're incredibly collaborative here at Pivotal Ventures to advance women's power and influence and make sure that women are able to control and resources and have a voice in their communities and their schools and the boardrooms and their careers. You need all of those levers working in tandem to advance the type of change that we want to see. And so we're constantly sharing ideas, working across the entire platform with these big sectors and themes in mind. So tech, what are the barriers that are holding women back? And then bringing all of the resources that we have at our disposal to bear to tackle them. So I'll give examples of this, of how we work collaboratively. One was a partnership that sort of was formed out of an initial relationship that I had with the team at Recast Capital. I'd gotten to know the partners there. They have a fund of funds. They invest in emerging managers. They also had some programming to support the emerging manager ecosystem. And so we were chatting and they said, well, we're looking for some partners or some support to continue to build up this enablement program and maybe launch some other programming. So the light bulb went off in my head. I said, wow, that would be very aligned with some of the programmatic work we're doing out of our philanthropic portfolio to make the on-ramps into venture, into tech smoother for women and people of color. And so I introduced them. I didn't have any proprietariness about a relationship. I said, hey, you should talk to my colleague. And next thing, we're partnering with Recast on their Accelerate program. Through that, we've given $100,000 to, I think now over 30 to 50 women-led firms to support their back office, really setting up their firm so that they can turn their attention to investing and sourcing and finding the best founders and supporting them. So that's just one example of where we were working together as the whole Pivotal team, not just the investment team and not just the program team, but saying, here's the problem, and then how do we use the different tools to solve it?